Shalom Israel, giving all praise to Yahweh, Bashim Yahushua, Bashim Yahushua, the one to sit out this GMS room well. Salutation to you, Hakim out there, preaching this word of truth, sincerely wishing your freedom in your life to do so. It's going to be a quick hit concerning the term broken arrow, okay? And we're going to look at what a broken arrow is. Okay, so we're going to play this from DJ Vlad, this guy named Earthquake, comedian. And he's going to explain, go into depth. All right, so if you notice what he said, He said he had a broken arrow, okay? He said he woke up the president and said he had a broken arrow. Now let's look at it. We're going to read this. This is broken arrow nuclear weapons accidents. Since 1950, there have been 32 nuclear weapon accidents known as broken arrows. As broken arrows is defined as an unexpected event involving nuclear weapons that result in the accidental launching, firing, detonating, theft, or loss of the weapon. To date, 6 nuclear weapons have been lost and not recovered. Okay, so why would they call it a broken arrow? Because it's prophetic, okay? It's scriptural. Why? Because it's the same terminology that the Bible uses when it wants to declare the weapons of the Lord to the nation, okay? You want to prove it? We got it. This is Isaiah, this is 2 Ezra 16, verse 10. He shall cast lightnings, and who shall not fear? He shall thunder, and who shall not be afraid? The Lord shall threaten, and who shall not be utterly beaten to powder at his presence? The earth quaketh, and the foundation thereof. The sea arises up with the waves from the deep, and the waves of it are troubled, and fishes thereof also before the Lord, and before the glory of his power. Verse 13. For strong is his right hand that bendeth the bow. His arrows that he shooteth are sharp, and shall not miss when they begin to be shot in the ends of the world. Okay, so why is the Lord giving a comparison of an archer or a man that knows how to use a bow with an arrow? See? So for stronger his right hand that bendeth the bow. Okay, or the bow symbolizes an arrow. Now why does it say broken arrow? Is a nuclear weapon that they lost or accidentally detonate, firing, or theft. You see? But the scriptures also call it a bow too, a bow and arrow. Okay? It says, bendeth the bow, his arrows that he shooteth are sharp and shall not miss. Because when World War III comes, the Lord is going to have these nations rise and shoot their nuclear missiles. And it's not going to miss. When they begin to be shot in the ends of the world. Okay? I mean, all over, intercontinental, every nation. You see? That's what that's talking about. And that's what's coming. Isaiah 13, verse 17. Behold, I will stir up the Medes against them. Medes are the Russians. Okay, the Medes are the Russians, which are going to go against Babylon or America, which should not regard silver. And as for gold, they should not delight in it. And he won't take no pleasure in these things. They are for war. Verse 18. Their bows also shall dash the young men to pieces, and they shall have no pity for the womb. So what is this? Why I keep bringing up the bows? Let's look it up. A weapon used for shooting arrows, typically made of a curved piece of wood and joined by a taunted string. You see? Bend the head up apart. No. So a bow is pretty much something you shoot arrows out of. Now let's look at arrow. See? And that's how a nuclear missile looks. Like a bow. When a bat look. Don't look like a bow. You can't make this up. Exactly. Like a bow. Wide in the back, pointy in the front. Like a bow. See? Look. It's the back of a bow. I mean, an arrow. And it's the back of a missile. See? So that's a bow. That's a bow and arrow. That's what the prophet seen in the vision. He said, hold on. This is Job 20, 25, 24. He shall flee from the iron weapon, and the bow of steel shall strike him through. What is that? The bow of steel. This is the bow made out of steel. Nuclear missile. Just like a bow and arrow. It says, it is drawn and cometh out the body. Yea, the glittering sword cometh out of his gall. What is gall? Goes like the stomach. Or putin, a gallbladder, bowel. Okay, meaning coming out of his stomach. See? A gallbladder, meaning you vomited it up. That means gallbladder means vomit. So when it said coming off his gall, it's coming out of what? The silo, the body. You see? That's what it looks like. Of the body. Terrorists are upon them. You see? So, this is like the prophecy, So that's all I just wanted to bring out. But well, until next time, how about you, Shah? Um, Bashim Dash, I'll say to you, I came out there. The one to the out. Till next time, shalom.